Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to use Nash application in your smartphone device. So what exactly process to create account and invest your money for the cryptocurrency. Let's start as a demonstration. Before start the demonstration, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So simply first of all, I introduce what exactly features on this platform as a website. In this particular, the first link is display here like a token, image, fast software, wallet, third party, fast rep, company, banking meet, cryptocurrency and so on. You just simply click here, you just enter your money and the platform are sending you link in your mobile device and you install this application and that create account. I just simply click here in this particular link and the platform is displayed here. So let's start as a mobile screen. As a mobile screen, I'm open App Store. You do same process on Android Play Store and type here NASH. So look at this first wallet is displayed here, buy and sell crypto. You just simply install. So I install this application and then after installation you just simply click here, open, allow. As a get start point of view, we need to add here email address. I type here my email address and then password. You need to add here strong password and then sign in. Now enable to Face ID. So I just simply add here my Face ID. It's quite simple to sign in. So my account is created here. So some basic informations are available here. A referral code you can send as a referral code. Your friend purchase some cryptocurrency like $100 or more than, so you also receive some money. And that one is amazing. Activate here my Face ID. So here buy the cryptocurrency. So you just simply add and buy cryptocurrency like AAVE. The cryptocurrency price is this and Bitcoin price like $37,000 and some other cryptocurrency prices available here. You just simply click here and the buy cryptocurrency like $100 and continue, and internet banking or some wallet like a Revolt wallet and buy very easily the cryptocurrency. Any cryptocurrency you can buy very easily as usual, like a Bitcoin also. And here sell options also available. If you want sell, so you can sell the cryptocurrency. Now I have no cryptocurrency, I'm not buying, so that's why the option are not displayed here. This is a hide, but you just simply sell also cryptocurrency. Trading markets are displayed here, like what exactly graphs in the Ethereum last weekend. So such kind of informations are here. Top 30 earning, trading, scaling, and some basic informations are displayed here. And here your setting, if you transfer someone, so all information are displayed here. Purchasing, selling, all the informations are displayed here, like a stocking. All features are available here. Add your bank if you want, add like your bank name and IBN or payment institution, and you can save it this bank ID and use as a day by day. Here your profile is available, like if you want like a Bitcoin address, Ethereum address, so you put it here, like this one is a unique code of this particular Bitcoin and you use this one as a like AIP key and transfer or access any other crypto wallet. That one is quite amazing. Some security options are there. You can add here some pin also, like I am adding one pin, confirm, add here pin, add to face recognition. Always you are opening this particular application, so use face recognition, change password, ask authority permission. So such kind of informations are available here. It's quite simple to create account and invest your money using Nash platform. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram. Same Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.